Hi, my name is Frankie Peterson, and I'm a high school science teacher and science department chair for a team of 13 science teachers at a school of roughly 2,000 students in an urban setting. I want to present about how ADI facilitates collaboration. I think collaboration is the first line of professional development in this profession, and the ADI sets up a framework that helps you work with people in your building, people within your department and between departments at the building level, between different buildings. Our district has over 40,000 students, and it sets me up for communication with other schools. And it facilitates communications with administrators and all the visitors that come to classrooms, being their parents or appraising administrators or visitors from other buildings. So I use the ADI framework to help when people come into the classroom and when I have discussions with people that are colleagues. It's particularly important for new teachers when working with experienced teachers and new teachers together. All right, thanks.